3 Filipinos were confirmed dead due to the massive flooding in UAE caused by heavy rains this week. Here's a report.
Line here, line there, lines everywhere. This is the situation of stranded passengers at the Dubai International Airport after 2 days of heavy rain in there. The extreme weather caused flood on the airport's runway. That's why the flights there are either cancelled or delayed. United Arab Emirates state media reported that nearly 4 inches of rain fell over the course of 12 hours at Dubai International Airport on Tuesday. The country recorded more than 10 inches of rain in less than 24 hours on Tuesday, which makes it as the heaviest rainfall in UAE in 75 years. The heavy rain triggered floods on the streets and affected all modes of transportation in Dubai. In this video, we can see this cat clinging to a car door handle during the flood. The cat was eventually rescued and is in a good condition now. OFWs in Dubai also experienced the weather's wrath. The Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, confirmed that 3 Filipinos died due to the flood. 2 of them suffocated after they got trapped inside their car, while 1 died after the car he was driving fell into a sinkhole. The DMW assured the families of the victim that they will receive proper assistance from the government.
Worst rainfall and flood in 75 years. Exactly. Can you imagine? Unexpected. As you were saying yesterday, and
climate change is real.
I was watching some videos na galing sa mga news agencies nila na the structure nga of the cities in the Gulf area, they're not tailor-made for heavy flooding.
Yes.
Although they are used to being hot and cold kasi desert din sila, but they can be really cold. Pero it's dry. Dry hot, dry cold. Yung having a wet weather like us, di ba? Ano tayo, tag-tuyot, tag-init Pilipinas, sa kanila hindi.
Pati diba sabi ko nga sa'yo, frequently, meron silang mga cloud seeding operations kasi nga para magkaroon naman ng ulan sa kanila. Kasi it's not something regular sa kanila.
Pati yung cement ratio pala nila and the way they dig sa construction is not conducive pag baha.
Yes.
Because di ba may mga ratio ng cement kung ilang percent ang ganito, ilang percent ang buhangin. Sa kanila is tailor-made for heat and cold and dry weather. Kaya nung sandali lang na nag-flood,
ang bilis,
ang bilis nag-saturate yung cement.
Everybody was stranded.
Sinkholes, di ba?
Nagkaroon ng sinkhole, doon nga namatay yung isang OFW.
And sadly, we have three
OFWs. Nung mga hapon, wala pa eh. Sabi pa ng DMW, wala pang confirmed death. And then mga bandang paggabi na, hapon, mga 5 ganun, nag-release sila ng statement na meron ngang 3. Ulitin lang natin, yung 2 na suffocate sa kanilang sasakyan, siguro while waiting, di ba, na mag-subside yung baha. Yung isa naman na aksidente, na laglag sa sinkhole yung kanyang sasakyan mismo. We're trying to get in touch also again with DMW, particularly kay Director Hans Leo Kakdak, pero wala pa tayong makuha. Siguro mga busy na rin sila.
Yeah,
at
they're
this point in
coordinating
time, coordinating with families, etc. And yun, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga tulong na paano mapapabalik dito yung labi ng mga OFW doon, anong trabaho nila doon, 'di ba? Nasaan sila nung at particular time. But yun nga, it's a sad day for us, and hopefully sabi nga din nung, 'di ba, kahapon nabanggit ko din yung CEO ng airport doon, this is an uncharted territory kumbaga, dahil hindi nga daw sila sanay dito sa mga pagbaha na ito. Ang cute nga lang nung pusa, nakita ko
I was saying when you okay na ako.
Go. Go lang, go.
Natatakot ako sa iyo. Lumalabas kasi ugat mo eh.
Hindi mo ako galit eh. Go. Sige.
Hindi, sinasabi ko lang, experts are saying to study a culture, to study what life is like in a certain area, you look at the animals. And look at that cat na binabanggit mo kanina. Instead of running for safety or climbing up a building, kumapit siya sa pintuan ng kotse. Ngayon, the mere fact na kumakapit sa pintuan ng kotse, they were saying is hindi niya alam anong gagawin niya. Because hindi sila sanay sa ganyan. Sa Pilipinas, kita mo, pag nagkakaroon ng baha or gano'n, makikita mo yung pusa. Nasa bubong na eh. Umuulan pa lang actually. Alam na ng mga cats and dogs saan pumupunta eh, di ba, sa atin? Kasi sanay na tayo. Sa kanya, hindi siya sanay, so kumapit sa pintuan.
Cute niya talaga. At least na-save naman siya. But yun nga, as of yesterday, sabi naman nila, they're trying to get back to normal operations nila. And hopefully nga, hindi na mangyari to ulit.